8 days ago I told you Solana is going to pump to $168, as you can see right here. The video was shared at $39 and we are already at 28% profit, so congratulations to everyone. However, in this video I will not be just talking about our profits we have made on Solana. I will be talking about Bitcoin, the upcoming alt season, sentiment and fundamental analysis. So if you are ready to know what's going to happen next in this market, make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from Crypto Paradise, and right now you are looking at Bitcoin. This is the bullish pennant formation I have been sharing with you 3 days ago in this video. As you know, we have been expecting this breakout and the breakout is happening right now. We have got rejected from the 38,000 liquidity pool. We have then on a lower time frame, if I switch on a 2-hour time frame, we firstly got rejected from this resistance I have been sharing with you in the previous video as well. As you can see, this level was very important and it was absolutely obvious, and I have been talking about it, that we will not break it on a first go. Yesterday in our free Telegram channels I told you that we will be making a second and third attempt, and we expect in the Paradise team that on the third attempt it will get broken to the upside, then we will get rejected from around $40,000 and then the move to $43,000 will be absolutely smooth. This liquidity pool means that there is loads of short orders, loads of long orders, and basically above this level there is loads of positions which will be, once triggered, they will be working like a butter, let's say. So basically once we get above this level, once these short orders and these liquidations levels of short positions starts to get squeezed, basically once they are closed it automatically opens on market futures long positions, right? So then the move to the upside will be absolutely easy. Right now however we are still below. As you can see, once we got rejected, our analysis is working absolutely perfectly because we have with this candle retested our descending upper trend line of this bullish pennant formation. It worked perfectly, so this means that we are strong, the bullish pressure is really strong, and we are now once again trying to push towards $38,000. and as I already explained, this is really hard resistance. It will probably not get broken on the second attempt, but on the third attempt we expect that it will get broken and we will squeeze these short positions. If we take a look at our previous lower time frame analysis, you can see that we have been talking about the major low time frame resistance, which is $36,500. and if I take a look at 4-hour time frame, let me take a look at this is actually 28 minutes. So basically this was the major lower time frame resistance, right? And right now I've been talking about it already in the previous video as well. We are switching that into support zone, right? So you can see that we are really holding above it very nicely. Right here we got some fake out to liquidate long positions, and now we are nicely moving above it already. So this $36,500 is very important support level from the lower time frame. We should be consolidating above it, right? If we want to stay in a bullish spectrum and not to retest our bullish pennant descending trend line again, we need to stay here above our level $36,500. We will be pushing forward. The best case scenario would be some bullish formation here, so one more retest probably, making some nice double bottom, and then on that third attempt push it with a glance. Yeah, so this is about Bitcoin. We are expecting the $36,500, as I already said in yesterday's free Telegram channel analysis, that we expect this level to be holding very nicely, and from above here we'll be consolidating, forming some bullish formation, and then we will push through this important 38,000 liquidity pool. Okay, so our medium time frame target still it's the same, $43,000. If you have been watching our previous videos and if you are in our free Telegram channels, you exactly know why we are targeting this $43,000. I will not be repeating that anymore because right now I want to switch back to Bitcoin dominance, because we will be talking about an altcoin season. Okay, so the altcoin season is coming, guys. Most of the people don't trust it, but hey, we already talked about it like 11 days ago, right, with you. So we are already with Paradise Family VIPs, we are already taking profits. Just recently with our scalping members we have made 722% profit just on 25x leverage. All right, then we are taking some profits on our swing trades, on our BNB position. Everybody is bearish about Binance coin. Hey, we have been buying that at $231 right here 7 days ago, and we are making nice profit on just 2x leverage, 21% profit so far, and that is much more. However, I will not be sharing everything with you right here because I need to switch back to Bitcoin dominance and actually tell you what is going to happen in the upcoming 6 months, and this is going to be crazy. It's gonna blow everybody's mind because nobody trusts this move still, as you can see from our sentiment analysis. Let me switch back to sentiment analysis. We are even lower than before, than yesterday. Even like yesterday it was at 440. Right now we even decrease. So as the price of Bitcoin is going more to the upside, people are even more scared. They are calling for correction, dip, you know, things like this. Nobody trusting this move, and I have been talking about it in the previous videos many times, until we can cross the sentiment above the price of Bitcoin, which is this white line. Okay, so until this orange line will cross the white line, we will just keep pumping. So like this is amazing because the sentiment is extremely bearish. Everybody missed the move right here from $26,000. Well, nobody, I guess, is watching our videos. Nobody is in our free Telegram channel. I don't know why, but most of the people like missed that. So right now they are in this kind of like stubborn move. They still don't believe this move, but I'm telling you honestly, until the sentiment starts getting back to fear of missing out and bullish mode, we will just keep going up because there is no liquidity to sell on. Okay, so whales will just push the price to the upside more and more. Then finally at some level, I think it's going to be that 43,000 level, the fear of missing out finally starts to kicking in. Okay, we will be consolidating. This is just my prediction from the psychological spectrum of the markets. We will be doing some BART pattern, right? People start finally get confident. We'll be consolidating here for like a month, for example, and then we will push on that liquidity down back to our long time frame trend line, this blue line, right? So yeah, this is basically this is going to be the medium time frame cycle. It is my opinion. We will, however, in Paradise Family VIP, definitely very careful at this $43,000. We will be taking most of our profits on our swing positions, and we will be positioning ourselves for a correction. Okay, we will be playing that smart for sure. So right now let's get back to Bitcoin dominance, because in the upcoming 6 months the times are going to be very good. Right now Bitcoin dominance, basically, as you can see, we are being rejected from the structural resistance in the past. This level, this area right here, worked like a perfect support zone, as you can see from this level at around 52%. Yeah, we have been making this great move. Okay, and before it was just working perfectly, and once it got broken, you can see the volatility of that move. So you understand how very important this 52% resistance is, and we do expect that we will be starting to correct very soon from these levels right here. So let me just tell you, once we get that rejection, we are targeting Bitcoin dominance to retest 42%. Okay, and why? Well, the thing is that there is going to be the Fibonacci retracement zone 0.786, which is always needs to be retested before doing some major medium time frame bullish cycle, so we cannot go just parabolic like many people think at every asset, right, that everything is going to go parabolic. Markets basically work in these kind of cycles, so before we can actually break some major level, there always needs to be retest of some important levels, and the important level is 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, 0.618 is also very important, so we just expect this zone to be retested, but we are quite confident that the 42% is going to be touched. And let me tell you, this is going to be around 16% drop for Bitcoin dominance, and you can just imagine what is going to happen with altcoins, right? And right now Solana is already pumping. I told you we are expecting like a 300% move before we will be retracing on a medium time frame, because this is again very important level 0.618, and in this cycle it should be hit. Yeah, then also I've been talking about let me just show you the total free. You already know total free, very important. This is crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically this is the market cap of altcoins. I've been sharing with you when it broke out right here at 365 billions, and well, we are almost 40 billions higher right now, and we are targeting 600 billions. Yeah, so you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is basically at resistance, right? However, the total free market cap is just breaking and is bullish, basically is forming a very nice support right here, and we are targeting 610 billion dollars. We are very confident that this section right here, this zone will be retested. This was again structure support in the past, and now it will be working as a resistance. Okay, we will be facing some lower time frame resistances as well, as for example 455 billion dollars right here. So we will be managing our trades based on that, right? So you will need to be making sure that on lower time frame trades you are able to take profits at the strategic levels, then buy again, then again sell, right, then buy again, blah blah blah. So basically you need to play it smart, but if you are just holding Bitcoin or some altcoin you are confident about, you should be just fine. But if you really want to maximize your profits, and this is exactly what we are doing with ParadiseTeam VIPs, you better use some great trading strategy and play it smart. Ladies and gentlemen, the times are going to be absolutely awesome. You have seen the sentiment right now. The funding rates are quite positive, and many people are quite scared about this. There will be liquidation levels, that's why you need to play it smart and sell at strategic levels and buy at strategic levels, right? Because these long orders, basically when the funding rates are positive, that means more long positions are opened. The whales will be liquidating these long orders, right, on short time frame. But from the medium time frame, you need to take a look at open interest. This chart, open interest, basically means the total value of all open futures positions, and as you can see, we are even lower still than in the bear market at 2018. Okay, that is 5 years ago, and the bear market was absolutely horrible, and the open interest is still below that level. So that's exactly what I'm talking about when I have been showing you the Bitcoin sentiment. Basically people are not in the markets yet. Okay, people are scared to invest still. The open interest is at all time low. The crypto funding is positive, but in the spectrum of the total value and volume that will get into the market, it doesn't matter nothing right now. So from medium time frame we are still extremely bullish, and I will keep you updated in the upcoming videos. If you are ready to start trading like a professional, make sure you join our free Telegram channels or join ParadiseTeam VIP if you want to trade with us. If you enjoyed this video and if the video helped you and you made some profit on Solana thanks to our videos, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Cheers.